This is an 11-year-old firing the C9 by High Point. That was not a jam, just an FCF. There you go, last round lockout. Not bad.